So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you what search params are and how to get them and then use them in your project. So let's get started. So sometimes you will have a URL like this, right? Because in the previous tutorial, I showed you that you can use dynamic routing to get something like this, right? And this is fine. But let's say you are searching something from the database, or you have an e-commerce website in which there is some kind of filtering system for the products, right? So the URL of that ends up looking something like this, but I'm not able to get this. But you can get this by using search params, okay? And I'm going to show you how. So this is going to be something that is going to be in the main folder, okay? This is not something you do in your dynamic routing. So you have this, so I need to get this, and it's really simple. All you do is, in this, just like our previous tutorial, you have the option to get search params, okay? And then what you do here is the same. Search params, okay? And then I'm going to get the .id, and I'm just going to put that here. And one more thing you need to do to get search parameters is make this page a client page, okay? So you do use client because it's use server by default. So after this, you will see when my page reloads, as you can see, I'm getting this. I'm getting the product ID. But there is another way to do this, and that is to, I am actually going to comment this out, and I'm gonna remove this. So the way you do this is const, okay, I'm going to name my variable search params, and then you can use a hook called use search params, okay? And since you have this now, what you can do is basically this. Just gonna cut, paste this here, comment this, and it's exactly the same now. But one more thing you need to add is dot get, and you can specifically get something like this, okay? And I'm just gonna name this product ID, okay? And you can do it like this. I'm gonna make this 10, okay? See, I'm still getting it. So I hope you liked this tutorial. For more tutorials like this, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.